are you doing? Janet Mohapi-Banks here, breakthrough coach for female entrepreneurs, change makers, leaders, and any other woman who knows that they want more from life. I help you to be the more, to get everything that you want, to just flow to you, really. So today I wanted to talk about what's considered as soft skills in the world of business. These are skills that are primarily quite natural for females. And I personally believe that's why they're called soft skills. It's kind of a diminishment of the feminine, but there you go. So these skills are like emotional intelligence, communication, leadership skills, things like that. And it's my firm belief that it's these things that are going to be absolutely vital as we move forwards with life and business and all that jazz. So to me, the best way to develop these skills is really by connecting with your highest, going into your heart space, and leading with love. If you are leading with love, then you hold your staff members with love. You hold them with kindness, compassion. Yeah. If you are leading through fear, then you're going to be, bullwhipping them and that's, it might be motivational, but it's not inspirational. Moving forwards, especially in the world of female leadership, which I think is going to really, really, really be monumental. I think we really are in for a huge change happening very, very soon, where female leadership takes over from male leadership, but definitely comes, on par with it. I don't think it's going to take years and years and years and years for that to happen at all anymore. And that's an awesome thing. Yeah. But females, generally speaking, are more heart-centered, are more heartfelt. We tend to lead more with love and understanding and compassion than historically the male bosses leadership did. So as I was saying, the best way to get into that zone of creation, that zone of leadership, is by really focusing in on your heart space, focusing in on that connection to your highest, focusing in on what needs to come through you. What needs to come through you? Yeah, we're moving away from this hierarchical do as I say type of leadership, and it's more of a collaboration. How can I help you to be all that you choose to be? Yeah, that's where this leadership is now taking us, where leaders step into their true power, where leaders lead themselves in the way that they lead their own people. So they talk to themselves with love and kindness and compassion as well. And it's when you're able to do that you are able to then develop this amazing emotional intelligence to lead others with that, to not turn into like some evil dictator, malevolent, crazy person with who manipulates. Yes. So like the dark side of emotional intelligence is manipulation, and you don't want to head into that. But if you're constantly leading with love, then you're absolutely not going to. You're definitely not going to. So when you're coming from a place of, okay, well, what is it that you need to be the best of you? What is it that I need to be the best of me? And you're leading with love. The way that you manage a team changes. The way that you manage a team absolutely changes, because there's no more fear. It's not fear-based anymore. We live in a world that is fear-based. Historically, teams have been led by fearful bosses, by fearful management, and we don't need to lead that way anymore. Not anymore at all. So My invitation to you is to lead with love, lead with absolute compassion, speak to people and yourself with kindness, consideration. Yeah. Kindness, consideration, and understanding, and without judgment. Because when you are able to hear what people have to say without making it anything about you, you can lead your team in a more inclusive way. When you realize that we are all connected, and so when one person rises, they lift everybody up, then there won't be the disparity in wages. There won't be this hierarchical, I'm better than you kind of nonsense that you find in business currently. That just won't exist, because you know that everybody is playing a vital role. Everybody on the planet is playing a vital role. But within a company setting, everybody within the company is playing a vital role, whether they're the janitor or the mailman or whatever. They are playing a vital role in the business. And when you can treat everybody with absolute respect, that's all people really want. When people can feel seen and heard and appreciated, yeah, that's all people want. I'll see you again soon. Take care.